comes down to car care, you get what you pay for. If you buy a $3 product, you're getting a $3 product. They use words interchangeably all the time across manufacturers. Polish, glaze, cleaner, pre-cleaner, compound. And when you stand at that wall in the auto parts store and you're trying to pick out the best product, there's not somebody like us to tell you how the product works. You could be looking at something from one brand to the other, and you're probably holding the same thing in each hand, and then you get confused. And then when you're looking for, when you put those back and you try to find something else that catches your eye that might do what it does, it's just a third option of the same thing. What you want to look for in a car wash is something that has high suds. You want something that should be pH balanced so it doesn't damage your car. You might want something with a water conditioner to it so it's less likely to leave spots when you rinse the car off and start drying it. When you're working on your paint, you want to be conscious of not going in circles. You kind of want to go straight line, either away from you or back and forth. Get into the habit, if you're removing pollen or dust, or if you're at the car show, you kind of want to keep a clean edge and lift when you wipe across the surface with your detailer. That'll also help eliminate swirls because now you're not rubbing stuff into the paint. It was a great line from a movie, but definitely this is not wax on, wax off. Professional detailers get great results, and Griot designs their product around to have the home user get the same results as a professional user. I'm using the same product in my professional details and through our detail shop as you would be using at home.